Now, Amazon Video Direct is designed for content creators to reach their clients. And it's not necessarily designed for individuals to use the platform in order to reach more customers for their existing business. That said, there are promotional tools that Amazon gives you that you can put on your websites and promotional materials in order to drive people back to your Amazon channel. And you'll find those materials inside of the support area. You'll then go to the publishing link. You'll then go to promote your titles. When you get to promote your titles, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom. And what you'll do is you'll get this marketing kit. Now you'll see there are 5 bundles of tools, and you can look in each one of them: logos, lockups, Prime Video logos, Prime Video lockups, and then third-party lockups. Each bundle comes with files in the EPS, JPEG, and PNG format. And what you can do with each of these images is that you can add them to existing artwork that you are making. The same thing is true of the logo lockups, as well as the Prime Video logos. So in each case, you'll be able to use these images inside of your graphics editing program along with your title and its cover. And you can see that again in the third-party lockups. In each bundle, Amazon gives you a guide on how to use all of the content so that you remain in their terms of service. Basically, what Amazon is doing is it is directing people to its video demand service, where theoretically, if someone likes one of your videos, they might watch more of them. Since you are paid for minutes that people are streaming, this can be important to you as you build multiple sets of videos on Amazon Video Direct. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.